Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Aerodrome Finance. Alright, so your first step would be to locate a Web3 wallet that supports the Base network, as Aerodrome is built around the Base network. In this case, we're going to be making use of Trust Wallet. You could make use of any other Web3 wallet that supports the Base network. So open up the Trust Wallet, and once your Trust Wallet opens, make sure you have some Base Ethereum. As you can see, I have some Base Ethereum on my wallet in order to complete transactions on Aerodrome. So click on Base, and if you do not have Base Ethereum, you could use the buy option to simply buy cryptocurrency using your credit card or your debit card via Google Pay with AERO or any option of payments. You could also swap from the Ethereum mainnet to the Base network using the bridge and get yourself some Base Ethereum. Alright, so once you've gotten yourself some Base, simply head to the Discover page at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's just beside the Earn panel. Alright, so once you're here, where we have search or enter the app URL, I'm going to be pasting the URL, which is aerodrome.finance, and I'm going to be searching for it. Alright, and with Aerodrome.finance opened, where we have the connect, which is at the top of your screen besides the hamburger icon, click on connect and click on connect again, then click on wallet connect. Alright, and then go ahead and click on connect once the prompt comes up, and then click on sign in. Click on sign, enter your passcode or your fingerprint or your face ID to unlock. And boom, you'd find your wallet address at the top of the screen besides a green glow. So your amount of Ethereum that's available is shown, and it goes from sell to buy, meaning you're going to be converting your Ethereum from Ethereum Base into Base Aerodrome or any cryptocurrency that is here, like the CUSD or CTX, DAI Plus, DGen. So we can go ahead and select DGen. And then maybe for this amount of Base Ethereum, all you need to do now is click on swap, and a prompt is going to come up on your screen that you need to confirm. So click on approve, enter your passcode or face ID or fingerprint, and it's going to be swapping your Ethereum for the DGen token. And boom, it's done. So guys, that's how you can go about buying cryptocurrency on Aerodrome.finance. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.